Welcome back, everybody. For this project, you'll need decorative cardstock, 2 unfinished wooden crates from the Dollar Tree, wood glue also came from the Dollar Tree, scissors, a sponge brush and Mod Podge, diapers, any kind will do. I'm using Loves and Huggies. And these are optional items, but I'm using these cute wooden shapes. A hot glue gun with hot glue gun sticks, and these are high temperature items. Alright, so we're going to start by tracing the bottom of the box using your decorative cardstock. Now using your scissors, you're just going to cut it out. And now that it fits perfectly, we're just going to use our sponge brush and Mod Podge, and make sure you're very generous because this does dry clear. So it's okay if it gets on it, like inside of the box, messy, it will dry clear. And then just place it in, making sure it fits and it's aligned on the inside perfectly. So for video purposes, I've actually already cut the remaining sections for the inside of the box using the decorative cardstock. So you'll just follow the previous step using your sponge brush and your Mod Podge. Now you'll complete the same steps for both crates, which I've already done. And this is what you should have. Now you're going to grab your wood glue. With this wood glue, you don't really need a lot. You need enough, but not a lot, because it dries really quickly. So just eyeball it, making sure you use enough. So you're just going to align them and press them really firmly. It's better to do this sitting them down on a flat surface. Allow at least 30 to 45 minutes to dry. Now that they're dry, this is what you should have. So with the box being dry, you're just going to trace the outside of the box so you can get the measurements. So once you're done tracing, you're going to then cut. And for video purposes, I've cut all the measured sides out. Grab the Mod Podge and sponge brush so we can begin coating the outside of the box so we can lay those measured pieces that we just cut perfectly. You're going to lay and press really firmly. Those same steps should be repeated for the other side of the box. This is what you should have. Now it's time to trace our sides. After tracing, you're going to cut those sides out. You're going to grab the sponge brush and Mod Podge so you can begin coating so we can lay that cardstock down that we just cut out. Once you're done coating, you're going to lay and press that cardstock really firmly and repeat the same steps for the other side. Now that everything is down, I'm going to cut the excess cardstock so everything can be even along the edges. If you follow all the steps properly, this is what you should have so far. Now this is the part where you'll need the diapers or whatever you're going to use to fill the inside. Start by rolling the diapers, no particular way. Once they're rolled, you'll place them on the inside, making sure they fit really snug, and you'll do the same thing for the next set. You'll continue doing this until the box is filled. This is what you should have once your box is filled. Now you're going to use your hot glue to place the wooden shape directly in the middle. Press really firm to make sure it stays in place. So I'm using an elephant. I'm going to place the glue along his feet, and almost as if I'm standing him up on the edge of the box, press really firmly so he'll also stay in place. If all of those steps were followed properly, this is what you should have. I would like to thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.